Hi everyone on YouTube, it's RV Debs. Lily's right next to me. It's raining and we're gonna go to the groomer anyway. Right, Rosie? Hey, Rosie, you ready to go for a ride? You are? You got your blanket? It's kind of chilly. So here we go, a rainy day. A rainy day, bummer. We'll see how this video is with the rain. Yep, things look different in the rain. I hope it lets up. Now, you know when I turn, my camera's gonna sway because it's just the way it works. Oops. Okay. Let me try to fix it. This might be a good time for some music. What do you think? I got two good girl doggies with me. Yeah. She says, I just had a bath when I went out in the rain. I'm all wet. I know. I know, baby. When the rain comes, they run and hide their heads. Might as well be dead when the rain comes. I can show you when it starts to rain. Everything's the same. Let me show you. Rain, I don't mind. When the sun shines, they slip into the shade, sip their lemonade. When the sun shines. Good old Beatles song. I think. Whew. I left early. I figured I'd give myself a lot of time. Why everything's so green in Alabama. We get a lot of rain, but we get a lot of sunshine too. I was watching a video from Chris Travels. Chris and G were in Fairhope. I didn't realize that I had already seen it, but at that point I didn't know I even lived anywhere near Fairhope. And yeah, so they were in Fairhope and they were loving it. And it's funny because they went to one place to eat called Dragonfly, and they had these little, they're real small but very unique tacos. And that's the only place I ever went in Fairhope. I had met a waitress at a different restaurant in another area when I was out with the gang, and she said, oh, in Fairhope you got to go to Dragonfly. And I did. That's when me and my friend Chuck went to Dragonfly and had tacos, weird tacos. I wouldn't say that it was the best tacos I've ever had, but they definitely are the strangest combinations. And it's a very nice little restaurant. I mean, I think you should try it if you're ever in Fairhope. They're not sure. We'll talk to you later. Hope you're having a good day. Maybe it's not raining where you are. I had to put on the video again because I turned left and the sun is shining. Isn't that beautiful? I'm telling you, the clouds amaze me. The sky is just amazing. And it's hardly raining. It's like maybe drizzling. I just thought I'd show you how fast things change. Okay, I will be talking to you later today. Hi everyone on YouTube. RV Debs here, showing you a gift that came in the mail to me today from one of my wonderful subscribers. Kindred Spirits, Friends Forever, Forever Friends. I love that. That was beautiful. And a couple of doggy puppy toys too she sent. Thank you so much. Well, the girls had their hair done. Lily, turn around. Hey, psst. You want something? What are you looking for? Laundry? Oh, okay. Hey. Oh, you're so bad. They don't want to be on the camera. They are not on the camera. You know what? Cookies? You like your cookies? Hey! About time. Anyway, they had their hair done. It's been a long day. That's what my gift came in. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't know if I'm supposed to say your name. Got a beautiful card too. Oh, I don't know. It's from Jackie. Jackie, thank you. What's with you all underneath everything? Show everybody how pretty you are. You look pretty. Yes, you do. You look very pretty today. You had your hair done. Gorgeous pups. That's better. Well, I am going to say goodnight, and I hope you all have a good evening. Subscribe and thumbs up are appreciated. Thank you. Talk to you tomorrow.